Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Xbox controller if it's not pairing or syncing or something like that. Just turn on your controller and then hold down the sync button. And just continue to hold this down until it vibrates. So you can see that it's placed into the Bluetooth pairing mode. Just continue to hold this button down. Then after about like 15 seconds, the controller is going to vibrate and turn off. So that's when you know that your controller has been reset. Now you can go back over to your Xbox and you can hold down the sync button right here, and then we can turn back on our controller and we can hold down the sync button on the controller to reconnect it. So let's just hold both these buttons down for about 3 seconds. Let go, and the controller should now be synced back up to the console or whatever you're trying to connect it to. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.